Welcome to today's video where we are diving into the exciting world of freelance writing and uncovering the secrets to landing high paying clients. So let's get started. First, let's understand what freelance writing is. Freelance writing is a career where you can write content for clients on a project basis. This can include articles, blog posts, copywriting, and more. It offers flexibility and independence in your work. How to land high paying clients. So, how you can land those high paying clients? Here are some key strategies. Number one, niche specialization. First, a niche specialization focusing on specific niche like technology, health, or finance can make you an expert in that field and attract clients willing to pay more for your expertise. Step 2. Online presence. Next, build an online presence, create a professional website or showcase your best work, use social media or professional platforms like LinkedIn to network and connect with potential clients. Step 3. Pitching and networking. Pitching and networking are crucial. Craft personalized pitches and reach out to potential clients. Attend industry events and webinars to expand your network and meet high paying clients. Step 4. Quality portfolio. Your portfolio matters. High paying clients want to see quality, so focus on creating outstanding writing samples that highlight your skills and versatility. Step 5. Negotiation skills. Finally, negotiation skills. Don't undersell your talent. Be confident in discussing rate and deliverables to secure high paying contracts. Pros and cons of freelance writing. Now let's explore the pros and cons. Pros include flexibility in your work hours, the potential for high earning, and the chance of work on projects you are passionate about. Cons may include income instability, the need of your self-discipline, and the responsibility of managing your own business. In conclusion, freelance writing offers a world of opportunities to land high paying clients by specializing, building your online presence, perfecting your pitch, and owning your negotiation skills. You can thrive in the dynamic field. Remember, like any career, freelance writing has its pros and cons, but with determination and right strategies, you can achieve success. Thanks for joining us today and best of luck for your journey to landing high paying clients in the world of freelance writing. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.